Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Ayla Angel streaming live on GetIO. Today's topic is very exciting. The DGMA trending competition. We are going to learn how to join, what the rules are, and of course what rewards you can win. So stay tuned and don't forget to say hi in the chat. Web3 Location Hub and the DGMA training competition win up to 29.860 DGMA each 225 2025 25 September that is currently holding the DGMA trading competitions. Join right now and share the 363.636 DGMA reward prize pool. Campaign period September 2025, 8 a.m. October 2000 and 2nd 2025, 8 a.m. UTC. Activity 1. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Exclusive benefit for newcomers claim an extra 360 DGMA reward each during the event. New user who register and complete the trading task can share a prize pool of 70,000 DGMA on a first come first served basis. Task 1. Complete your first spot trade of the at last $200 or your first futures trade of the last $500 to receive 180 DGMA. Task 2. Reach a cumulative spot trading volume of $1,000 or a cumulative futures trading volume $3,000 to receive an additional 180 DGMA. New user register futures operations guide. Activity 2. Race to the DGMA trading leaderboard up to 25,000 DGMA rewards each. During the event, users who have no less than $500 DGMA for trading volume can share the 258.638.36 DGMA rewards based on their DGMA spot trading volume ranking. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Ranking 1 25,000 DGMA reward minimum DGMA trading volume person 5.000.000 dollar. Ranking 2, 20,000 DGMA, $300,000. Number 3, 10,000 DGMA, 1.500.000 dollar. 4 minus 50 actually share 50.000 DGMA, 170.000 dollar. Other users share 153,636 DGMA based on spot trading volume proportions $500. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Trade now DGMA USDT. Activity 3, invite friends, enjoy up to 4.500 DGMA referral bonus each during the event. Invite a friend to register and complete spot trading volume of $200 or futures trading volume of $500 to earn of 35 DGMA reward. The total prize pool is 35,000 DGMA and each innovator can earn up to 44,500 DGMA in rewards. The more friends you invite, the more rewards you can earn. Rewards are distributed on a first come first served basis. Welcome everyone. Total referrals reward 1 minus 5 35 DGMA person, 6 minus 20 55 DGMA person, 20 90 DGMA person. Notice point 1. All participants need to click the join now button and complete identity verification before the event ends to be eligible for rewards. Point 2, trading volume is equal to buy volume plus sell volume. Point 3, the total rewards for this event is 363.636 DGMA. Rewards will be distributed with 14 working days after the campaign ends. Point 4, the use of duplicate accounts and any other cheating behaviors such as inflection of trading volume, bulk registration of fake accounts, self trading, other matching, etc., and strictly prohibit multiple accounts with the same identity verification information will be traded as the same account. Subs count cannot participate in easy activity. Point 5. Market makers, corporate and additional accounts, affiliate agent and partners accounts are not enabled to participate in this event. If the user participates in other activities on Get, simultaneously they will only receive the rewards from one activity. Where any discrepancy occurs between the translate visions and the original English visions, the English vision shall prevail. Get receives are right the final explanation. This event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Number 10, user in the United Kingdom and other rejected locations cannot across the service, including the participation in this event or competitions. See the user agreement for further details on registered locations who do not intend to solicit or conduct marketing rewards towards customers in such registered location. Get team September 2025, 25 September. Gateway to crypto trade our 300 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10 $10,000 in welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Welcome Harryberry. Stay connected. Visit Get's official website. Download the Get app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join to Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Ends with the global community for the last insight, transparency and security. Check our 100 proof of receipts. Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. DGMA trading competitions win up to 29 point. DGMA trading competition win up to 29.860 DGMA each events and activity 1. Exclusive benefit for newcomers claim an extra 360 DGMA reward each during the event. New user who register and complete the trading task can share a prize pool of 70.000 DGMA on a first come first saved basis. Task on complete your first spot trading trade and at last $200 or your first futures trade of the at last $500 to receive 180 DGMA. Task 2, reach a cumulative spot trading volume of $1,000 or a cumulative futures trading volume of $3,000. Receive and digital 180 DGMA. Race to DGMA trading leaderboard up to 2500 25,000 DGMA rewards each. During the event, user who have no less than $500 DGMA for trading volume can share the 258.636 DGMA rewards based on their DGMA for trading volume ranking. Invite friends, enjoy up to 4,500 DGMA referral bonus each. During the events, invite a friend to register and complete spot trading volume of $200 and futures trading volume of $500 of the to earn a 35 DGMA reward. The total prize pool is 35.00 DGMA and each invitors can earn up to uh, 4,500 DGMA in rewards. The more friends you initiate, the more rewards you can earn. Rewards are distributed on a first come first served basis. 1 minus 5 25 2500 XL 1 person. 6 minus 23,800 XL 1 person. 26,300 XL 1 person. Get English community. Join the Get English community and discover trading events, stay acid and win up to 100 every week. All participants need click the join now button and complete identity verification before the event ends to be enabled for rewards. Trading volume by volume plus sell volume. And the total rewards for these events is 363.636 DCMA rewards will be distributed with 14 working days after the campaign ends. 4 point, the use of duplicate accounts and any other skating waivers such as informs of trading volume bulk registration of the accounts. Self-trading orders matching etc and security proprietary multiple accounts and same identity verification information will be traded as the same account subscription cannot participate in this activity. Market makers, corporate and institutional account, affiliate agent and partners account are not enabled to participate in this event. Point 6, if the user participate in other activities on Get Simultaneously, they will only receive the rewards from on activity where any transparency exists between the translate vision and the original English vision. The English vision shall prevail. Garrisies are right to the final explanation. This event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. User in the United Kingdom and other rejected locations cannot access the service, including the participation in the event and competitions. See the for further details on registered locations who not intend to solicit or conduct marketing towards customer in such rejected locations. Welcome to everyone. Welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Get live meaning program bonus descriptions. The live mini Cosmos strategy cooperation commission or the Get Live streamers of September 15, 2025. Welcome to everyone. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Device code. How to reduce the risk of a location. What are the personal features? How to open the Get Futures account? How to make the first count? Welcome, my dear friend. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. DGMA, the DGMA is a RWL real world allocation platform that leverages blockchain and R technology to provide arbitrage info the trust recommendations. Our mission is to rebuild trust in online reviews recommendations by for being a global community where participate share these discoveries and quality worldwide community ensuring the articulately to every location and recommendation with our multi-level anti-fake system using post and earn mechanic. We make the share of experience both rewarding and really able. Start time 2025 22 September and time 2025 25 September. Project introduction. Founder project highlights token economics, technical overview, token calculation status, risk reminder. Gabriel Khatar. Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome. The gamma price DGMA 0.060013 plus dollar plus 8.31%. The gamma DGMA price today is 0.0613 dollar with a 24 hours trading volume of 165.86k dollar and such the gamma DGMA has a market cap of $3.17 million, giving it a market dominance of 0.001%. The Gamma DGMA price moved plus 8.31% in the last 24 hours. Welcome, Ailash X. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. DGMA price at 24 hours turnover 165.86k dollar 24 hours highest price 0.066,937 dollar 24 hours low 0.50529 dollar. DGMA supply critical supply 52.83 million DGMA, max supply 700 million DGMA. The gamma DGMA price predictions. The gamma DGMA is predicted to average 0.0604 in 2025 with a potential swing between the lowest price is 0.041 $4,142 and the highest price 0.0822 $8,285 by 2030. The gamma DGMA price could reach to 0.1606 offering up additional plus 126.00% return from today's the gamma price. 2025 minimum price 0.04,142 highest price 0.0802 $8,285 average price 0.06,004 2026 $0.03,786 highest price 0.09,359 average price 0.07,144 plus 19.00%. 2027 0.05,033 highest price 0.1081 average price 0.08,252 plus 37.00%. The Gamma is a WL real world location platform that leverages blockchain and all technology to provide authentic info and trust recommendations. Our mission to the distribute trust in online are views by foreign global community where participants share their discovers and quality remediations earning rewards in DGMA token. We build a map with recommendations from a worldwide community, ensuring the authentic of very location and accommodations with a multi-level anti-fake system using post and earn machinic we make the sharing to expectations costs both rewarding and reliable. What is DGMA? The Gamma is a utility token providing the Gamma platform real world location RWIS ecosystem that leverage blockchain and our technology to provide authentic recommendation and trust informations about physical locations. The token is the tracker DGMA has a fixed minimum supply of 700 million DGMA token. DGMA is used to invite user for sharing quality recommendations and participating in the platform. Who are founders and the Gamma? The founders of the Gamma who are who individuals who began their cryptocurrency journey in 2017 after experiencing significant loss from trading various cryptocurrencies. They decided to start the DGMA project as an open Futures where their exact names and not publicly disclosed their experience in the crypto market since 2017 has shaped the development of the Gamma. What is the technical future of the Gamma? The Gamma technical features is a bullet of the Ethereum blockchain as a Core20 token. It leverages a combination of blockchain and R technology to create a centralized real-world location RWL platform. The features includes smart contracts may manage token transactions, reward distribution, and governance factions. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, everyone. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, everyone. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Quick intro. DGMA project name, again DGMA is an innovative token of the Gamma project launched the DGMA token officially in search of 25 September 2025. Listings. DGMA is listed on Get.io and also others exchanges like MEXC, meaning traders can buy and sell it right from day on. Community rewards. The Gamma announced a holder airdrop and Get is supporting the project with events like the DGMA trading competitions. Incentives. User can earn DGMA 1000 newcomer bonuses, leaderboard rewards, and referral programs. DGMA is the token of the Gamma project. It officially launched on 25 September and is already trading on Get.io. The team is running a holder airdrop and Get is supporting with this trading competition. So this is a great chance of both newcomer and exchange trading to earn DGMA rewards. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Benefits and participating in trading competitions. Win rewards. You can earn tokens like DGMA is just trading extra profit on top of your Usual gains. Their entry varies. Most competitions are open to everyone, so even small traders can join. Learn and practice gateway and improve trading skill while being part of a live event. Community vibes. You are not trading alone. You are competing and itching with the whole community. Boosted expressions sometimes token is competitions like DGMA and addition and liquidity which helps already early participants go here as a trade DGMA already type is yes if have this is load your chat with quick answers and give you smooth transitions into showing them how to participate. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Welcome my dear friends. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the AGM. AGME. Hello for message. Angel, I should we hold ourselves? Hold. Thank you everyone. How to join the DGMA trading competition step by step? Line up your GetIO account, go to the announcement page, DGMA trading competition, check the rules, start time, community rewards, deposit USDT and or DGMA intro to the post wallet. If you don't already have found, start trading DGMA USDT spot trading. Every trade you make adds and your volume. Leaderboard ranking is based on your total trading volume during the event. Winners will be announced after will competition ends and rewards will be distributed to your account. Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome. Show the price pool 230 DGMA. DGMA trading competition price pool. The total price pool is 230 DGMA. Rewards will be distributed to participate based on their trading volume ranking. The higher your trading volume during the event, the higher your share of the 230 DGMA pool. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, everyone. Compares with past competitions, Getaio often runs trading competitions of for new tokens in the past. We are seen project like Aviant or Town with similar campaigns, price pool, and usually and hundreds of tokens and distribution gets the top traders by volume. Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome. Just the like this events, the DGMA competition has a 230 DGMA pool, giving both newcomers and experienced traders a fair chance to win. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. DGMA USDT, the DGMA 0.06001 change plus 0.00465 plus 8.39% 24 highest price 0.0609 6,937 200 hours 24 hours low price 0.05 1290 24 volume DGMA 2.61 million 24 hours turnover 164.80K. Welcome, my dear friends. Can you drop complete task to claim your drop to 72.663K total participate 753.5K total airdrops USDT. Launch for quick staking earned potential new tokens $96.76 million cumulative airdrops. Earned potential new tokens 450.85K dollar estimate total rewards. $38.13 billion found risk 6 million plus participants. Holder airdrop $0 airdrops received. $294.53 million cumulative airdrops, 20K dollar total airdrops, 12 million plus participants. Launchpad be early to the next big token project, $2.01 billion amount, 97.71K participant for project. INC total airdrops for 40.00 INC per GT, 0.0106 INC participant 14.328. HANA and total airdrop 500.000 HANA per GT, 1382 HANA participant 12.108. DGMA total airdrops 363.636 DGMA per GT, 0.0966 DGMA, 0.0058 USD. Participants 15.731. Welcome Ode 90, welcome Ataullah, welcome Harry Berry, welcome Get User. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Thank you, everyone. MVRK total airdrops 100.000 MVRK per GT, 0.0268 MVRK, 0.0017 USDT. Participants 12.963. RUNWAGO total airdrops 222.222 Rivango per GT, 0.0579 Rivango, 0.0122 USD. Participant 14.393. Mega total airdrops 800.000 D mega per GT, 0.1158 mega, 0.0044 USD. Participant 11.949.94. MRLN total airdrops per GT, 0.0500 MRLN, 0.0013 USD. Participants 18.647. XL1 total airdrops 31.645.570 XL1 per GT, 8.73 XL1, 0.0088 USD. Participant 12.642. UB total airdrops 303.687.500 UB per GT, 1.35 UB, 0.0277 USD. Participant 6.495. Avient total airdrops 125.00 Avient per GT, 0.0226 Avient, 0.0343 USD. Participant 13.420. How to participate in the holder airdrop? As long as your GT holdings in Get account is no less than one, you can participate and receive airdrops without looking or staking GT. Which accounts GT holdings will be included in the calculation? Total GT holdings in unpaid account, spot account, isolated machine account, copy trading account, most accounts, final accounts, and payment account, excluding GT2 and GT in crypto, loan and launchpad. Welcome, Zoni Trader. Welcome, my dear friends, everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. How is your airdrop amount calculated? Welcome, Zoni Trader. How are you, dear? I am good. कैसी है Zoni Trader आप? Thank you so much joining my live stream, dear. How is your airdrop amount calculated once you join the project? The system will track your GT holdings, taking multiple random snapshots every hour to calculate your average hourly holdings. Your final rewards is based on your average holdings during the 18 project period. Thank you so much, Zuni Trader. Thank you so much, my dear friends. So sweet, Zuni Trader. Your final rewards is based on your average holdings during the ATIC project period. If your average holdings are below 1 GT, you will not receive any rewards. Final token received. Your average Hurley holdings, all participants' average Hurley holdings, total airdrop amount. What is per GT? Per GT is an estimated value indicating the number of airdrop token you could receive by participating in the holder airdrop project with 1 GT and holding it until the end of project. Please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holdings of all participants and the update early. Thank you so much, Zuni Trader. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Thanks a lot. Where my holdings cannot difficultly across project. The system uses random snapshots of cumulative your average hourly holdings. Depending on when you join each project, the cumulative average holdings may vary. In theory, if your holdings amount remains constant, your average early holdings should be the same across all projects you participate in. How to get airdrop bonuses? Participate in projects with the airdrop bonus label and hold GT in a simple and fixed trim during the event, and you will receive airdrop bonus after the event ends. Note that if you valid GT holdings and already reached the staking cap of no airdrop bonus will be rewarded. Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. What is the individual participation cap? Different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check the details page or the event announcement for the more information. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? You can participate in multiple projects. Can I participate at the project same time? How will the airdrop rewards be distributed? The airdrop will be collected and distributed with 1 hour after the project, and you can check in any time in the launch pool holder minus holder airdrop participation history. How are my airdrop rewards from project with bonus collected? Final token receive is equal to your average hourly holdings multiple 1 plus simple and bonus completed are participate average hourly holdings total airdrops. Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank, Thanks for joining today's stream. I am Alanjal. Good luck in the DGMA trading competitions and see you in the next time. Thank you so much. टेक केयर बाय बाय अल्लाह हाफिज अपना ख्याल रखिएगा दुआ में याद रखिएगा अल्लाह हाफिज